Do you know who has amassed a following larger than the entire population of some countries? Meet James Stephen Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast. From humble beginnings in Greenville, North Carolina, to becoming the most subscribed individual on YouTube with over 257 million subscribers, Mr. Beast's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. But how did this internet sensation begin? It all started in early 2012 when a 13-year-old Donaldson began posting videos under the name Mr. Beast 6000. His content varied from Let's Plays to estimating the wealth of other YouTubers. It was in 2017 when his video, Counting to 100,000 Inches, went viral, catapulting him into YouTube stardom. From there, his videos grew in grandeur, featuring challenges, giveaways, and stunts that captured the attention of tens of millions. Philanthropy and business ventures. Mr. Beast isn't just about entertainment. He's also a philanthropist and entrepreneur. He's the brain behind Mr. Beast Burger, Feastables, and co-creator of fundraising initiatives like Team Trees and Team Seas, raising over $53 million for environmental causes. His philanthropy channel, Beast Philanthropy, and multiple YouTube channels like Beast Reacts and Mr. Beast Gaming further showcase his diverse interests and commitment to giving back. His influence and impact haven't gone unnoticed. Mr. Beast has consecutively won the Creator of the Year award at the Streamy Awards from 2020 to 2023 and was named one of the world's 100 most influential people by Time in 2023. With an estimated net worth of $500 million and a ranking on Forbes' list for the highest paid YouTube creator, Mr. Beast's legacy is as impressive as his subscriber count. Mr. Beast's story is a testament to the power of creativity, perseverance, and the magic of the internet. From counting to 100,000 for a video to becoming a household name, Mr. Beast's journey is a modern tale of success that began with a simple YouTube channel and grew into a global phenomenon.